wash me over. I kill my fill 3 times a day. These ethanol fumes won't make me sober. One flame to take the pain away. I caught you lighting matches in the back room. Haters look mad when they pass you. Let's talk about round when it's past 2. Raise a glass to no.
Hello and welcome to my channel. So today's look is inspired by flamingos. It's as simple as that today. So I started off by painting my neck, my shoulders and my chest all pink with a pink face paint, and then I start to go into the eyes. I prime them with a Primark concealer, and then I go into the Neon Huda Beauty's Pink Obsessions palette, and I use 2 shades in this palette, one that's more of a corally neon colour and one that is a true neon pink. The true neon pink I put in the crease, and the corally colour I place all over my eye. I then go into the Anastasia Beverly Hills Alyssa Edwards palette and use the shade called Texas Made, and I place this into the crease. I then get my Morphe James Charles palette and use the shade called You're Kidding, which is a red eyeshadow, and I place this into the crease. Using the Ofra Fix Line eyeliner gel in the shade White Rabbit, I create a cut crease. What I really like about this is the pink does seep through a little bit, so it's not pure white, it's just a very, very light pink. Now I grab my Fenty Beauty Vivid eyeliner in the shade Techno Beat and create a winged eyeliner. Unfortunately, my camera overheated and I didn't get this bit on camera, but while it was cooling down I painted the rest of my face the same shade of pink that is my neck and my shoulders, and then I mixed a little bit of white with it and started to create the highlighted areas on my face. I then get that pink eyeshadow that we used earlier and I start to create the contoured areas of my face. For my brows, I used the same eyeliner that I used earlier by Fenty Beauty, and as a highlighter I used the Becca highlight in the shade Rose Quartz. Using that red eyeshadow from that Morphe James Charles palette, I start to create some kind of like lashes on my bottom lash line. I don't really know why I did this, I just randomly did it and I don't think it looks that bad, so that's what I did on my bottom lash line. I wanted to do a jeweled brow look for such a long time, and finally I have done one. So I got some a different colour and different size and different shape pink gems, and I glued them all over my brows with eyelash glue. For my lips I used the Colourpop Lippy Sticks in I Heart This. I thought the colour was a bit too close to my skin colour and I wanted my lips to really stand out, so I went into a dark purple lip liner and I started to apply this around the edges of my lips. For my lashes I used the Eldora FM7 eyelashes, and we are done. I then styled my wig with these feathers that I got off Amazon, and I also got these flamingos that are actually on sticks to go in your garden. I just cut off the sticks and made them into this headpiece. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. If you do like it, make sure to press the like button, and if you are interested in some more creative makeup looks like this one, make sure you hit the subscribe button so you do not miss any of my videos. I also have some discount codes in the description box down below for Colourpop, Eldora, Morphe, to name a few, so make sure you go and check them out if you are interested. And also, if you want to follow me on Instagram and TikTok and my other social media handles, they're all linked in the description down there as well. My TikTok and Instagram are both the same, they are at brooke.ellis_. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.